Hello, my name is Anastasia and I'm a designer of the company Art Parquet. Today, we're at the place where unique wooden products are created. Art Parquet is a leading company in the sphere of parquet production and original interior designs. For more than a quarter of a century, we have worked with natural top-quality wood and can proudly offer a full range of services, from working out design projects and turning them into reality. A number of forest lands are at our disposal, which allows performing a full production cycle. The production begins with raw material preparation and wood sawing. Right at the first stage, we assess the quality of wood, which help us choose only the best raw materials for further manufacturing. After thorough scaling, the wood arrives at the drying section. Our production is equipped with Italian CNC drying chambers. This allows choosing individual drying modes for different wood species. Out of the drying chambers, the wood is transported to various workshops for further processing. Since its founding, Art Parquet has been producing and designing artistic parquet. This flooring type always had its own unique composition. There are more than 50 wood species of different shades and textures in our collection. Previously, every single element of artistic parquet was created manually. The modern computer technologies have helped improve the manufacturing process. This Italian woodworking line, providing high precision production of the smallest parquet elements, is exclusive for Russia. Performance accuracy and picturesque parquet compositions have gained us international recognition. We annually receive a prestigious award from independent experts of the National Wood Flooring Association. The artistic parquet looks particularly beautiful if combined with stone or metal. The contrasting shades, which confer a unique charm to the flooring, perfectly suit the noble wood texture. Strip parquet and solid wood are equally substantial. These flooring types are considered ones of the most lasting and durable. The production department is fitted with an automated production line. The manufacturing process consists of several stages of machine processing and manual sorting. As a result, we receive top-quality elite parquet. Parquet finishing also plays an important role in preserving consumer properties of the wooden flooring and meeting aesthetic challenges. Our company knows exactly how to highlight the natural beauty of wood texture. The experts at our color lab are able to recreate any color or shade required by the customer. Parquet is definitely a phenomenon that doesn't stand still. There is an innovational type of flooring called engineered parquet. Apart from parquet, we also manufacture different interior design elements, for example, wall panels, stairways, doors, and other decorative objects. The design and construction of products are worked out according to the customer's wish. The great finale of the creating an interior design is using additional types of woodworking: elegant carving, delicate gold and silver leaf inlay, all these marvelous decoration techniques will surely conduct a unique appearance of any room. Beauty and reliability of the finished products are mostly connected with the storage conditions. For that reason, special storage facilities are organized at the production site. We are truly proud of our products as we put our hearts and souls into their manufacturing in order to help make your wildest interior design dreams come true.